Digital marketing strategy. 7-step digital marketing success frame. Now, messaging. Talk to your customer, not at them. WhatsApp, WeChat, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, Quora, and a lot of other platforms are there. And a plain old text messages too. Those are just a few of the ways that marketers can reach today's customer. Engaging messaging starts with learning about the personal individual preferences of a consumer and what makes them to tick. How to talk to your customer? Start with the channel. When evaluating engagement strategies and considering what platforms to leverage when communicating with customer who differs in age and location, there are several factors that need to be considered. The first, local versus global phenomenon. The attitudes and bias customer having towards different channels, both on the local level and or global level too. The potential leverage of traditions and such as SMS and everything needs to be considered when you're focusing on messaging. Today, these technologies will also be able to bring in different data sets, such as weather patterns, traffic, point of purchase, sales data, and other information sources where company can make their offering more contextual, relevant, and meaningful. For example, an apparel company could use AI, artificial intelligence, to help analyze the weather patterns of a city where a consumer is located and overlay that with the traffic of the public transportation challenge of that particular city. The result? Chatbots can automatically make more effective recommendation for the customer on what type of jackets or outerwear are most suited for that particular area. Now, let us move on to the second point, which is visibility. Visibility online is the overall presence of a brand or its product in the general consumer environment. A business can have a great website, but how are user experience to find it's not visible? Search traffic can only direct so many unique visitors for your content. Few simple steps can make you to reach to more number of people. Focus on your improvement and visibility, especially online visibility. Learn proper on-page optimization. Focus on very good off-page optimization. Publish regular blog content with keyword enriched. Get active on few social media networks where you could find the relevant niche. Run targeted Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and make sure you're available on all the platforms, your social media presence. Guest blog on relevant website. Encourage your customer to leave online reviews. What could be done to increase the visibility on the internet? Create a Google My Business profile. Add all your product category. Post your business related content quite often. And optimize your keywords and categories that you sell. Optimize your Google My Business profile and make sure your website is being added on that profile. Else, you can create one using Gmail. Okay, you can do that. Get listed in online directories and use location-based keywords. Best digital marketing services in Bangalore. Best digital marketing training institute in Bangalore. Add location tags to social media posts. Use location-based hashtag for all example Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter. Search engine optimization. Why search engine is important? Why search engine optimization is important for my business? Get your website found on search engines. If you're not on search engines, that means you're out of the race. SEO is important because it keeps the search result fair. It reduces the ability to manipulate these results as much as possible so that the sites appearing for each search are there because they deserve to be there. Google like the fresh content and the genuine content. So make sure you have a content allowed to reach the right set of customer in the market. SEO also improves user experience, make it more likely to improve repeat buyers. Trust. If you are on internet, people trust you. It builds online relationship. How? First thing you should have start up with your website. And the next second thing, you have to add your content, that your website, to the social media pages. You should also be accessible on other search engines like Bing, Yahoo, and majorly your focus should be on Google, where customer trust you. And Google gives the best content for its audience, not the faulty content. Authority. Be the thought leader in your field. A thought leader is an individual or firm that is recognized as an authority in a specialized field, who is an expert in sort or often rewarded. Thought leaders are commonly asked to speak at public events, conferences, or webinars to share their insights with the relevant audience. The same happens on internet too. The thought leader should be making himself available on social media platforms and especially webinar marketing. Lead generation. You have to focus on the campaigns where you will be getting a good number of leads as a part of digital marketing success framework. Now, if your pipeline is completely filled with data, you can talk to that customer and you can convert those set of customer into sales. The lastly, conversion. Nurture leads and prime them for conversion. So ultimately, these seven digital marketing success framework will tell you how to set a digital marketing strategy for a long run business.